don't you believe? You don't tell us what to do.
The way that you treat me.
You don't tell us what to do.
I am telling you what has happened.
The 20th of December, 2025, Fort Lauderdale-Hollywood International Airport, Broward County, Florida.
Go have a seat, because you're not going to fly through here. You don't sit and tell us anything. You understand that? You don't tell TSA how to do their job. You don't sit there and raise your cane at them. Okay?
Why is it?
That's not, you don't do that.
But why? The rule changed totally.
Because they could do whatever they want with this. Yeah,
no, I didn't
that's right.
know that.
Yeah, oh, you didn't know. You don't make the decisions here. All you're doing is disrupting the checkpoint with your attitude.
My cane, I wonder where it is. My cane, because this belongs here. You cannot answer. Miss, where is my cane? Please.
Is this the one that she was raising at you?
Yeah, this is the one she was using.
I'm hanging it right here. I'm going to hang it right here for now.
Oh, you cannot give it to me?
No, because you know what? You like to raise it at people. You think you can do what you want. Yeah, you have a bad attitude. Sorry. Yeah.
I am a doctor. I will not do that.
Okay. And I'm a deputy sheriff.
So?
Okay.
I have never been treated so rudely as I have in this airport.
Okay, and you treated everybody else rudely, and then you threatened her. You think that's okay? Yeah, you did.
No,
yeah, you did.
I raised my hand.
They're not lying.
I did.
Okay.
I would have liked to do that, but I
you would have liked it. Yeah,
that.
that's a great attitude.
What?
I'm not going to sit here and go back and forth. Give me this. I'm not going to go back and forth with you with this.
No, neither am I. You're not working. When do I get my ID back? And
when we conclude our investigation, because right now we're doing a criminal investigation on you.
I'm so happy.
Okay.
You see that I am inoffensive.
Okay.
I have never ever had any problem.
Okay.
But I have never ever been treated as rudely as I have been treated today. And I had not taken my shoes off for 18 years. Since it was 65. They said I didn't have to take shoes off.
Okay.
So that's why I said...
You're not in charge here. They make the decision. You understand that? Otherwise, you just don't fly. You go someplace else. It's that simple. Okay, so listen to what they tell you. You don't tell us what to do.
Hi, ma'am. How are you?
Great.
Great. What's going on?
These people are obnoxious and they treated me very poorly. And they, for example, since I was I'm 78. Since I was 65, I haven't had to take my shoes off.
Okay.
Yet they insisted that the lady, but not in a nice way, if you know what I mean. That's why I argued with her. And I just had to slip them off.
But you do know that they have their own rules, ma'am, right here. You know they have their own rules,
my
right?
passport.
Right. She has your passport. But listen, you do know that.
Yeah,
I understand.
Grumpy explained it.
Okay. I understand that.
Close on this shoot, they're fine. For obstructors, we can close this shoot, they're fine.
Okay, yeah, so you do understand that. If they ask you to remove your shoes, you have to remove your shoes. When I'm flying, I'm a deputy sheriff, right? I have to remove my shoes. You see what I'm saying?
But you're not 78.
Well, I understand that, but the law still applies to you at 78. Do you understand that?
No.
Okay.
I understood that since 65, I did not have to take my shoes off.
Okay. Do you understand also when you say that you want to hit somebody, you raise a cane, trying to hit that person, it's a crime as well?
No, I did not try to hit her. I told her I wanted to. Not that I
You didn't
would
raise the cane?
No.
You
That's
did not.
the cane.
Right.
She had the wooden one, that one, the TSA.
Right. You didn't raise that one?
No, I wanted to. I really did, but I would have never done it.
Okay.
I have never even gotten the traffic ticket.
You cannot also come here and cause a disturbance.
Huh?
You cannot come here and cause a disturbance.
I didn't try to cause a disturbance.
Well,
I just told her.
Well, you did when they're yelling for the sergeant to come here. So you did.
No, the girl was just too rude.
So what do they want to do?
I'll see what they want to do, and if we have to file it, we'll file it. It's an assault.
Just come right here, man. Just watch that. Watch the,
Yeah, it's an assault. I'll see what they want to do.
yeah, because he wants to witness.
Yeah,
Yeah, 'cause I didn't see it. I just
no, I know. I saw when he came in.
Oh, you were over here?
No, on the video.
Oh,
on the
did you?
video. I was right there. The prime flight worker says that, yeah, she got nasty with the TSA girl because she asked her to remove her shoes. And she's like, no, I'm not removing my shoes. Well, if you make me remove my shoes, I'm gonna hit you with this kid.
That's the cane right there. That's from what I did.
Yeah, that's the,
What I got here.
that's the wooden cane. Yeah, I'll take a picture of it.
It's mind-boggling.
And as you can see, I'm trying to talk to her.
Yeah, no, I know. And she was very,
Adam is saying that, oh, since she was 65, she didn't have to remove her shoes.
I know.
It doesn't work like that.
Okay, I mean.
We're gonna walk to her car.
You want to finish your water?
Can I take it because my mouth gets very dry?
No.
That's why I'm asking you if you want to finish the rest of that now.
If I finish it now, I'll be in the car.
Okay, I'll take it from you.
My mouth gets very dry.
I got it. All right.
So you will be giving me water.
No, I will not.
So
That's why I'm asking if you want to finish it now.
I cannot finish it. My mouth
Okay, they'll
is
give you
very
water in
dry.
the jail.
Okay.
Yeah. You get water at the jail.
Let's take this off. That has
The scarf.
I have to take it off too. But this is a protection from the cold weather in my neck. That's inhuman. I can't believe this.
Watch your step.
Yeah, let me hold on to you.
There you go.
Okay, I have to pat you down before I put you in my car. Yes.
Yeah, that's enough.
Spread your feet.
That's what.
Alright.
Let me hold on to this for you.
Put your hands behind your back.
Oh no.
We gave you 2 handcuffs.
I can't believe this.
Let's walk up. I'm holding on to you. Slowly.
I won't be able to lift my leg.
The key is turn around.
Yeah.
Just turn around and sit back.
Can you wait to put this on after I'm sitting? Because I cannot, I have to hold on and move.
Okay.
I have to pull myself up.
I understand. You gotta kind of pull yourself up.
I can't.
There you go. All right. Very good. All right. Okay. Just put that hand behind your back.
Esto va a ser rápido, ¿ok? Y esto es un carro más grande. Los otros carros son así. No nosotros, señor, la cosa nosotros no estamos haciendo esto, es la gente de TSA. Nosotros no tenemos...
Yeah, explain that to her. It's not us.
Nosotros tenemos que hacer. No es la culpa de nosotros, del muchacho, de la muchacha tampoco. La que tiene culpa es la gente de TSA.
Right, they're from TSA. I can't even hold them like that.
You have to put your hands behind your back while you're sitting down.
Yeah, we gotta get that one.
We had a double lock.
Yeah, double lock on there.
What tree?
Yes, double lock. Okay.
No, pero lo que se después se pone más.
Alright, that's good. Yes. You good?
¿Lo quiere al frente o atrás?
You good like that?
Okay, señor, buena suerte, okay?
A 8-year-old passenger was arrested at a TSA security checkpoint following a verbal threat during a shoe removal dispute. Charge, assault, intent, and threat to do violence, Florida Statute, Section 784.011, second-degree misdemeanor, maximum 60 days imprisonment. $500 fine. 49 CFR, Section 1540.107. All persons entering a secured airport area must submit to screening as directed by TSA. Compliance is mandatory, not optional. Florida Statutes, Section 784.011, requires 3 elements. 1. Intentional unlawful threat by word or act. 2. Apparent ability to carry out the threat. 3. An act creating well-founded fear of imminent violence. Subject stated on camera, "I told her I wanted to hit her." A verbal statement alone satisfies element 1 of section 784.011. The distinction between wanting to act and acting does not negate a criminal threat. TSA standard screening policy: passengers aged 75 and older may keep shoes on in standard screening lanes. Subject was 78 years old and qualified under the correct threshold. Florida Statute Section 901.15. Warrantless misdemeanor arrest requires the offense to be committed in the officer's presence. The verbal threat occurred before the deputy arrived, creating a procedural challenge. Berkmer v. McCarty, 1984. Miranda warnings. Attach only at custodial interrogation. Pre-arrest. Spontaneous admissions are not protected and are presumptively admissible. Illinois v. Gates, 1983. Probable cause is assessed by totality of circumstances. Multiple independent witnesses corroborating the same verbal threat satisfies this threshold. Graham v. Connor, 1989. Force must be proportionate to the threat presented, judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer on scene, not in hindsight. 18 U.S.C. Section 111. TSA officers are federal employees under the Department of Homeland Security. Verbal assault on a TSA agent may independently trigger federal prosecution carrying up to 1 year imprisonment for simple assault. Lesson 1. When a TSA directive is disputed, the correct remedy is compliance. First, formal complaint. Second, via TSA Office of Civil Rights, not a verbal threat in a secured federal facility. Lesson 2. Know your screening rights. Under TSA published policy, passengers 75 and older may keep shoes on during standard screening. Verify eligibility before entering the lane. Lesson 3. Verbal expressions of intent to harm constitute criminal assault under both Florida state law and 18 U.S.C. Section 111. Frustration is not a legal defense to a threat.